I am driving a lot with my baby in the car and I realized something. Most dash cams are recording, but when you actually need the footage, everything important turns into a blurry mess, especially license plates. Hi everyone, I am Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And guys, I have been in an accident lately. So, oh my god, I was driving back from Miami. I was attending the Miami Swim Week as an influencer, for networking. And I was driving from the airport here in North Carolina from Raleigh. A third car in front of me came to a complete stop on the 65 highway. And the Tesla in front of me was able to stop on time, but I couldn't. And I hit the brakes with my entire power and with all, the muscles I have in my right leg, in my right feet. And it didn't help. I still hit the car in front of me. So I was lucky because I am driving Porsche Cayenne and it's a heavy car. It's a big car, like it's built in a really high quality. I barely got any damage, but hey, it could be way worse than that. That's what made me realize, hey, I'm driving a lot with my baby in my car, and hey, that's a very expensive car. It's a brand new Porsche Cayenne. And I have decided I need to install a dash cam because I want the footage. I wanna have a proof if something happens to me. So I did my research and I finally found the one dash cam, which I'm gonna review today, from the beginning and give you my first impression because I just installed it in my car literally like a few days ago. And then I'm gonna give you an update after a few weeks, after driving with this a little bit, after learning how it works and being in different situations with this dash cam. So I'm gonna give you an update in a few weeks, so stay tuned. So guys, today I am gonna review the REDTIGER F7NA, and this is what I've installed into my new Porsche Cayenne. Now, quick note before we dive in, REDTIGER's Prime Day sale runs through June 26th. You have 3 days to use the code from the description box at checkout, and the price gonna drop to $119 only. All the links are going to be down below at the description box. Well guys, let's get started. Now this is one of those categories where specs sound impressive until you compare footage side by side. The whole focus of this camera is drive it with real 4K, not a fake sharpened footage that claims to be 4K, but I mean actual 4K. So when REDTIGER says 4K, they mean 4K, which is powered by a Sony IMX678 sensor in the front camera. Now look at this comparison. As you can see, the left side shows natural color reproduction with a true 4K clarity, offering higher sharpness and richer details, making these license plates numbers much clearer and easier to read, in case you need it, because this is why you have a dash cam, right? Well, that's what actually matters when someone brakes suddenly or cuts you off at an intersection. Installation is super easy, took me about 15 minutes total, no any technical knowledge needed, even if you have never installed a dash cam before. This is something you can genuinely do yourself. The front records at 4K 30 FPS and the rear camera records at 1080 pixels at 25 FPS. During the day, signs stay readable at a distance. At night, the HDR is on the front camera and WDR is on the rear camera once. So it gives you the balanced bright headlights against dark roads, so footage stays clear instead of just blown out. Night is where most cameras fall apart, by the way. Darker roads, bright intersections, headlights coming right at me. Well, the footage of the REDTIGER held up. It even comes with a voice control option, which is genuinely useful. There are 12 English commands, so I can say lock video or take picture while driving without moving my hands from the wheel, and it will respond immediately and do the command it was told to do. No need to reach or anything because safety first.
Take a picture. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Good job, baby.
Now the touchscreen is responsive, it is very intuitive and easy to navigate through it. You just swipe between front and rear views if you want to, you can adjust any type of settings, you can change resolution, all directly on screen without digging through menus, and it's easy and accessible, it's right there. Now getting footage off is fast, you simply connect over 5 GHz Wi-Fi and clips transfer up to 20 megabytes per second in ideal conditions. Video is on my phone in seconds without without touching the card thanks to the smart REDTIGER application, so you can fully control your dash camera through a smart application directly from your phone. Yes. Now guys, I am living in North Carolina and heat matters here. We are getting around 100, sometimes 110 degrees here during the summer, and cars get extremely hot here. And guys, the temperature inside your car, by the way, is about double than the temperature outdoors, if your car is locked, of course. So the REDTIGER F7NA 4K dual dash camera can handle these temperatures in ease. Why it might be a problem? Because of the battery. So the F7NA uses a supercapacitor instead of the traditional battery, as most of them outdoors, and it can handle any temperatures easily, from -4 and up to 158 degrees by Fahrenheit. So guys, it doesn't matter if you are living in Alaska or if you are living in Arizona. It doesn't matter. This dash cam gonna handle any temperature conditions you are living in. Now guys, the unboxing is truly minimal. Everything makes sense. There is no any extra parts that you just don't know what to do with. Well, this camera is built around performance, not packaging. And going back to where we started, the whole point of a dash cam is having footage that actually holds up when something happens. That's what real 4K is for. It is the prime day. So be so very sure to check out all the links in the description box, because you snooze, you lose. So don't snooze if you don't want to lose, because this is the prime day on Amazon, June 2026, the lowest prices throughout the year. So guys, be so very sure to jump on this opportunity, because another one like that might happen in a year from now. I personally would highly recommend you guys to get this camera. Guys, thank you so much for watching this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think. Please let me know if you are expecting an update as much as I am. So I'm going to drive a few weeks with this camera and I am going to give you an update on that one. And guys, there is a Prime Day happening right now in America. Prime Day, Amazon Prime Day, right now happening. So be so very sure to go check it out. This is the cheapest price of the year. Through the entire year of 2026, this is the cheapest price you can ever find on Amazon. It's cheaper than Black Friday, because Black Friday is a global thing, while Amazon Prime Day once a year, and it belongs to Amazon only. So that's the lowest prices of the year. People are shopping like crazy. Let me know down below in the comments, what are you gonna buy? What's in your cart? So guys, that was actually all for today, and I've got an amazing first impression so far. I love that there is a rear camera, a front camera, and I love that the installation was so very easy. Like actually my assistant, it literally took him like about 60 seconds, even less, just to install it. You just stick it on your front window, on your front shield. You just stick it, both of them, and it works. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check it out, and I'll see you later. I'll see you in a few weeks and I'll give you an update. See you.